Hey guys, so our learning target for the day is we can describe presidential succession. Essential question, who is in charge if the president and the vice president die? So most people know that if the president dies or is unable to serve or steps down, then the vice president becomes the serving president. But what if they both die? This lesson is going to cover who's going to be in charge in various scenarios in case the president or vice president are no longer able to serve. First things first, make sure you fill out that attendance form. On that attendance form, there's a little question just for me to gather some data and information on if I'm making material short enough for you guys. So go ahead and feel free to answer that honestly. Once you finish your attendance form, you're going to be taking some notes on presidential succession. In order to do that, you can do that on a Google Doc. You could do that in a notebook. I have this outline to kind of help you. Here's what you need to do. Go ahead and click on that document. If you want to do this as a Google Doc, you just go ahead and hit File, Make a Copy, and then make sure you organize that in your drive. Remember, your drive can get real messy real quick. So make sure you put this in your American Government folder in your drive, and within your American Government folder, the notes folder of your Google Drive. If you just take notes on a notebook, you can just kind of copy down the notes, and you're going to be filling in these blanks using this video right here. I'm going to warn you that this video, the person talks extremely fast. So to make it easier on yourselves, go ahead and click this little gears right over here. Click playback speed, and you can change it to 0.75, 0.5, or even 0.25. So this will just slow it down so that way you can kind of catch what this kid is saying a little easier. All right, so like I said, using that video to fill in these blanks, this video is nice and short, but to make it a little easier for you guys to know when those answers will be coming up, I put little comments over here on the side. So that way you know about what time you should be looking for those answers. So this first one highlighted in yellow right here, if you click on it, the comment will be right over here. The answer can be found about 10 seconds into the video, so on and so forth. So if you're having trouble finding answers to those videos, check those comments. Once you have them all filled out, then you can go ahead and resolve those comments on your own page. If you have any questions, remember I'll be available this entire block through that Google Meets. If you would rather send an email or a text message, that's right down there. If you have a question after the block, you can still send an email or a text message, or you can use that Google Meets between 1:30 and 3 o'clock for that open office hours. Good luck, guys.